I believe RatedPower allows me to move faster with the design smarter, and determines the most optimal solution in so much less time.
My name is Ahmad Hany Alkhatib. I'm a technical office senior engineer at Elsewedy Electric, and I work in the department in Elsewedy Electric responsible for IPP projects. I do initial preliminary energy yield assessments for PV projects and BESS as well. We also, during the construction phases of our projects, we do like design review for EPC.
I'm Sherif Tamer. I work in developing IPP projects in both PV and PV plus BESS projects. My work is for developing engineering packages for early stage projects and also in detailed engineering packages.
You'll probably be dealing with multiple softwares, having to go from one software to do the energy yield assessment for preliminary stage, and then moved on to CAD softwares in order to do, again, initial layout for the project manually, which of course takes time, and then after you get the detailed design, you go back to the energy yield assessment and do that again.
I believe the main challenge was the time frame required for developing the detailed packages or even the early stage packages in engineering. Sometimes it took weeks for developing the engineering packages. Using RatedPower, it can take days, even hours sometimes.
The 3D design tool, I think it can be really useful when you're dealing with tough terrains, because it really shows you where are the modules that have been affected by the shading as much, and you have the freedom of choice to maybe do some different type of installation in this area in order to mitigate the tough shading or the tough terrain in the site. And I think the 3D energy tool really shows it very much. I think the clone design button is the most efficient feature in the software, because you can try multiple things in a second.
It allows me to run so many iterations, so many designs at the same time, simultaneously. I can adjust a parameter like the DC to AC ratio or the ground coverage ratio, etc.
During the preliminary stages of any PV project or BESS project, this is very useful in order to try many things and see how these affect the energy yield. So far, our experience with the team is really positive, and the best thing when dealing with RatedPower's team is that they're very supportive and responsive, and very knowledgeable about how to do workarounds using the software.
And also the feedback of the users is very valuable to RatedPower. They consider the feedback from all users into the development of the software, so the experience is amazing so far.